G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing the unboxing of the Mintt A5. But we're not just doing an unboxing, I'm announcing a giveaway for 3 Mintt phones. We're also going to be having a look at the Mintt A5 and the Mintt A5, their top of the range phone for this year. You need to subscribe and watch the full reviews of these 3 phones to work out how you can win one of them. Details will be revealed in each video. But for now, we're just doing an unboxing of the Mintt A5. Now, the Mintt A5 is one of the budget options in the Mintt smartphone lineup. But it doesn't mean it's bad. Budget is good. Remember that. Budget is good. Some of the specs here are 4G, 6.088-inch water drop HD plus display, 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. On the back, you have a triple camera. It's a 13 megapixel, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. You also have a front 8 megapixel camera. Battery is 3,900 milliamp hour. Fingerprint sensor, octa-core processor, and running Android 10. Got to crack the seal on both sides. All right, the Mintt A5, there it is. That doesn't look too bad, eh? Now, I'm always a little bit worried when I first unbox a phone, no matter what price range, and I always feel relieved once I get it out of the box. So have a look here. You got your fingerprint sensor in the back there, in the middle of your display, which is the perfect spot to put a fingerprint sensor. So I'm glad that's there. Then just above it, you do have the square camera cutout, which is very common these days. It's either rectangle or square for most phones. And this one is no different. 12 megapixel, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro. On the front here, we've got our water drop HD display, which looks nice as well. I always like to call them teardrop. I don't know why they're called wood drop, but anyway, there is the phone. Let's see quickly what else is in the box here. Straight away, my happiness is on a new level for 2 reasons. Case. Love it when you get a case in the box. You know that I love that. I think every manufacturer should do it. I don't like these manufacturers like Apple. They're not even putting chargers in the box anymore. They should have a charger, they should have headphones, and they should have a case. Thank you, Mintt. And there is a glass screen protector as well. Headphones, which I won't use because I'll let the winner of this phone, when they win it, use these. A power brick. USB Type-C. SIM ejection tool. Ultra Mintt A5 quick start guide. Full charge in the battery too, which is great. I'm going to set up offline quickly because we've got to do what I always do when I'm checking out a phone for the first time, and that's check out the camera. Woo. There is the start up. That screen looks alright, eh? There's the camera. Allow. This is the 13 megapixel main rear camera on the back. So you got a little notification to let you know that it's locked onto its target for focusing. And then the shutter was really quick. And there is the picture. I should have been more prepared, but let's just have a quick look at the price of the Mintt A5. The A5 is 199 Aussie dollars. It comes with a free Boost mobile SIM card. For $199, you're getting a 6-inch display, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, and a camera with a shutter that is pretty fast. And it's just got that awesome Android feel to it. Now, it said Android 10 on the box, so let's just go and have a quick look at the settings. June 2020 security patch, Android version 10. There we go. Android version 10. Let's check out the front-facing camera. I was getting a bit carried away there with the software. Front-facing camera, really good lighting. Let's check it out. By the way, did you notice the haircut? Again, that shutter was really quick. I'm really impressed with how quick that shutter is for the price. I still see some phones where the shutter is not quick, and it's quite frustrating. Not bad. The photo might look worse if it wasn't for the model taking the photo, but you know. So we have a very simple version of Android here. Hardly any apps installed, so it's pretty bare bones, which means your phone should run nice and smoothly. And as you can see, that's running pretty smoothly straight out of the box. I do have to set my apps up on this phone to see how it goes, but first impressions are really good. I think it was the Cool Mint phone they released last year where you had to peel the back off and the battery came outside of the phone. You had to put it in just like the old days. And a lot of people struggled with that, and this is not the case with this one. The battery's in there. Everything is rigid-edge. On the side here, you've got your power button down the bottom. And then above that, you've got your volume up and down rocker. On the bottom, we have USB Type-C, headphone jack, and your speakers with a microphone in between the USB Type-C and the microphone port, headphone port. On the left-hand side, you have your SIM card slot. And that is everything that you need. So I've just gotten rid of the nav bar, set up the gesture settings. I think the gestures are much better for Android these days. That's all I use now. It took me a while to adjust to the gesture settings, but I adjusted and I'm happy with gestures. Swipe down from the top to see notifications. Swipe all the way to your left and you have Google Home. And swipe up and you've got your basic settings, your basic applications installed. So I really liked it. It's pretty bare bones. It needs to be for 32 gigabytes of storage. I'm happy from the get-go with what I see already on the Mintt A5 in 2020. I think it's a great looking little budget device. I'm going to test it out exactly, see who it's for in the full review. And don't forget, in the full review of the Mintt A5, you will find out how to win the Mintt A5. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out. That's the unboxing. Check it.